This is gonna blow your mind. Vertical GPU mounts aren't as cool as they look. Before you turn your graphics card sideways, listen up. Here's what most people don't tell you. Reason 1, airflow. Vertically mounted GPUs block airflow, making your card run hotter. Next, cable chaos. Getting those power cables to fit can be a total pain. Third, limited space. Your GPU might end up squished right against the glass, which isn't great for cooling, or your nerves. And finally, some cases just aren't built for vertical mounts, so you risk stressing your motherboard. Horizontal might be boring, but your GPU will thank you. Stay cool, literally.